Hello everyone, welcome to my another vlog related to programming. In this vlog we will learn what is inheritance in object-oriented programming. Here is the example. You can see in this diagram it has two classes. One is bird, which will be known as base class, and the other is parrot. Parrot class inherits the functionality from the base class. That's why we will call a parrot class a derived class. Okay, and guys, derived class means this class is derived from another class which is known as base class, and derived class extend or inherit the functionality of bird class. Extend means sometimes a few functions in base class are not defined, and those functions are called abstract function or interface functions, so that the derived class sometimes extend the functionality of base class, or sometimes it implements the undefined functions or abstract functions or interface functions of base class. Okay, so let's start implementation. First we will open our code block and start a new project, and this project will be console application, and here we write the name of this project, that will be inheritance. Press next, and now we have main.cpp file. Here we will write the implementation of inheritance functions and class. So in first step we will define libraries like iostream.h, conio.h, and then standard library stdio or stdlib.h, and then we will perform some indentation, and then we will define our base class. The name of base class is bird, and bird has two functions, and the access modifier of these functions will be public, so that we can access these function in main. So here we are writing public function fly, and the return type of this function is void. It's not returning anything. Cout and L for next line, and \t for tab space, and then this function will say I can fly. Okay, this is the first function of base class bird. Now we will define second function, that is eat. Eat is also a void function. It will not return anything. And then again cout and L, and then this function will say I can eat. Now it's a turn for our derived class. You can see bird is our base class, and then we are going to define our derived class, that will be parrot, and parrot will inherit the functionality from base class bird. So we will write public bird. Now we will define this derived class, and we will write its function, which is voice. Its return type is also void, and its scope is public. As you know, public access modifiers used for that functions which can be called in main class or main function. So the voice function will say my voice is the parrot voice, which is called CRW, CAW, and then we will test our code by calling these functions in main class. So this is the derived class. Okay, let's call this class in main function by creating an object of type parrot class. So now we are creating an object of parrot class, parrot p1, and then we call base class functions from p1, p1.eat and p1.fly, and then we will call the voice function through p1. The eat function is a function from base class, and same fly function is also from base class. So we are calling base class methods or functions from derived class object. Then in the last we will call p1 voice. This is a function of this derived class. Okay, let's build it and execute our code. Here we will use getch to halt the program or pause the program. Otherwise, it will execute and just show a single blink and it will disappear. Okay, see, I can eat, I can fly, and then my voice is CAW, CAW. Okay. Now one more thing, I'll define another class, and I am going to show you the concept of cascade inheritance. For this purpose, I'll create a class green parrot. Green parrot class will inherit the functionality from parrot class. As we know, parrot class inherits the functionality of bird class. So now we are creating a concept of or implementing a concept of cascade or hierarchical inheritance. Here we have two derived class and one base class, and another second parrot class which is also derived class. When green parrot inherits the functionality from parrot class, then parrot class is behave just like a base class for green parrot. Okay, now you can understand the concept of hierarchical inheritance. Now the green class has a function color, and the color function will display my color is green. Okay, now we will go into the main function, and here we have defined p1 object of green parrot class, and we will call the eat function and fly function from bird class and voice function from parrot class, and then after that we will call color function from green parrot class. Okay, now here in main we have four functions. Two functions, eat and fly from bird class, voice function from parrot class, and then p1 dot color function from green parrot class. Okay, now we have three classes, and every class inherits the functionality from base class except bird class. It is the main base class, Now our new class is ready. It's a time to call it in main class or main function. Let's build it and compile it. So parrot class inherits the functionality of bird class and green class inherits the functionality of parrot class. So this is the output. Today we have learned what is inheritance and how we implement inheritance and how we implement cascade inheritance or hierarchical inheritance. So guys, please like and subscribe my channel for new videos and vlogs and new concepts of programming. Till then, take care. Thank you.